Hello, awesome viewers. Get ready to uncover the keys to unlocking your dream career. Ready to find your perfect career fit? This video is your go-to guide for picking between business and job. Full of easy-to-follow info, it's the start of your journey to success. Let's dive in and learn together. Get ready for a game-changing chat in our video, Business or Job, Find Success by Choosing Right. Whether you want to run your own show or be part of a team, we're here to help. We'll talk about the good stuff, challenges, skills, and clear up any wrong ideas. Let's dive in and find the perfect path for your success story. Ever dreamt of being a successful business rockstar like Elon Musk? Get ready to trade in your office chair for a captain's seat. Business isn't just about suits, it's your chance to steer your own ship and make waves in the world of possibilities. Control and freedom, you're the captain of your ship, making all the decisions. You decide where your business sails and how it gets there. Earnings and risk, if your business takes off, your earnings can skyrocket. But remember, there's also a risk of hitting rough patches along the way. Think of opening a pet store. The good part? You can choose all the cute animals and make money if people love it. But the not so good? In the beginning, you might need to work a lot, and sometimes you might not earn much. To rock it, you'll need skills like being friendly and handling money. And hey, owning a pet store is awesome, but it's not all play. It's hard work to turn pet cuddles into cash. Ever thought about achieving job success like Sundar Pichai? Get set to join the 9 to 5 crew, where your cubicle is your stage. Jobs aren't just about meetings, they're your ticket to a world of colleagues, coffee breaks, and steady paychecks. Control and freedom, you follow someone else's lead. Your boss sets the course, and you navigate the waters they choose. Earnings and risk, your earnings are more stable and predictable. No big leaps, but no sudden drops either. Think about working at a park. The good stuff? You get money regularly and know when to work. But the not so good? Your pay might not jump a lot, and you might have rules to follow. To do well, you need skills like being friendly and following instructions. And remember, jobs aren't boring, they help you learn and do cool things, just like discovering new games to play. The how to make a decision part is super important. It helps you think about what you really want, how much risk you're okay with, and if you like having set work times or not. It also clears up any wrong ideas, so you can decide what suits you best and even mix things up if you want. Your dreams, think about what you want in the future. Do you want to build something new or work your way up in a company? Comfort with risk, how okay are you with things being uncertain? Are you up for the challenges of running a business? Work and life, how much do you want to control your work hours? Can you handle working extra at the start? Money matters, check your finances. Can you handle not having a steady income at the beginning of a business? Good in business, think about having the freedom to do things your way, the chance for more money, and feel good in a job, consider the security, getting a regular paycheck, and having clear work hours. Not so good in business, think about the risk, the money not being steady at first, and the extra effort you'll need. Not so good in a job, consider the limits on growth and following rules set by others. Skills for business, do you think quickly, make choices easily, and find solutions to problems? Skills for a job, are you good at talking with others, working in a team, and following rules? Both worlds. Remember, you can have a job and do a small business on the side. You don't have to pick one forever. Changing later, your choice now doesn't have to stick forever. You can switch paths later on. Think about picking what game to play. If you like big adventures, you might go for the exciting one, but if you like knowing the rules, you might choose the one you're familiar with. It's like figuring out if you want to explore new lands or stick to the familiar path. Want to run a business and have a job? You can totally rock both. Plan your time, make schedules for both things. Ask for help, get others to help or use tools. Talk clearly, tell bosses and clients about your plans. Take breaks, rest and take care of yourself. Grow slowly, start small and grow bit by bit. Just remember, balance is the key. You've got this. If you're loving the Career Showdown and witty insights, hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community. Let's turn career decisions into an adventure together, and don't forget to sprinkle some likes for that extra dose of fun. Whether you're ready to launch your business rocket, dive into the job sea, or even rock both worlds, remember, the choice is as unique as your favorite ice cream flavor. To pick your path, ask yourself, are you the CEO of your dreams or the team player of the year? Do you thrive on risks or prefer the steady route? Blend in your skills, your love for adventure, and your wallet's approval. But wait, no pressure. Careers are like playlists, you can switch tracks whenever you want. So go ahead, make your move, and dance your way to success. It's your show, Rockstar. Remember, every step you take today paves the path to the future you dream of. Embrace the excitement of change, challenge your limits, and dare to venture where your heart leads. Your journey to success begins with that bold decision and the first step you take towards it. You've got this. Whether you're team business, team job, or team both, at least you won't need a superhero costume for this decision. No capes required, just a sprinkle of courage and a dash of choice-making magic. Now go on, conquer your career world, and if you find a magical career wand, let us know. We're still looking for ours.